Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make any software automatically run every time on starting Windows. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So suppose I want to add some software that should run automatically every time on starting Windows. So how you can do it? So for this, what you need to do, just press Win and R on your computer keyboard to open the run program. As you can see, now in the run program you need to type one command, cell and colon, and type start up. So you need to type this command, cell colon and start up. So type this command and you can click on OK, or you can hit enter on your computer keyboard. So the startup folder will get open. So what you need to do now, say you want to make some software that should automatically run every time in starting Windows. So for this, just locate or access the software shortcuts. So in my case, I have software named as Caffeine in my download folder. So you can locate to your respective folder which software you want to make it run automatically every time on Windows starting. So what I will do, I'll just copy and I'll just paste it here. So after doing that, you can now close this and just click on this start, and you can just click on the power button and click on restart, and you will be able to see the software will automatically start when you turn on your Windows computer every time. So let's click on restart. Now our computer has been restarted. So you can see here the software name, that is Caffeine, which I have placed or put it on the startup folder. Now it's being running automatically every time when my Windows gets started up. So in this way you can make any software automatically run every time on starting Windows very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.